E ngā iwi o te motu, nau mai, hara mai ki tēnei pō whakahirahira. And ladies and gentlemen, a big warm welcome to everyone and thank you for joining us in the E Tū Whānau and Dysart Kahukura Awards for 2022. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The Kahukura concept of leadership has grown to be an essential part of the E Tū Whānau kaupapa and our belief in community-led change. On the leadership journey, E Tū Whānau Kahukura model values, behaviours and actions that are positive footprints for others to follow. Mā mua ka kite a muri, mā muri ka ora a mua. Those who lead give sight to those who follow, and those who follow give life to those who lead.
I want to acknowledge and celebrate the 11 kahukura who have been nominated for this award. They come from all around the motu, are part of different communities and are involved in different types of mahi. We're also here to pay tribute to Anne Dysart, no te rarawa ia, after whom this award has been named. E Anne, rere atu, rere mai. I ngā kahukura katoa, E Tū Whānau. Kia ora.
Thank you, Anne, for the impact that you made on our whānau.
It's obvious that her spirit is alive in a lot of people around the motu, and this is just one contribution to keeping that spirit alive.
The future for me is what people in their whānau and their communities do for themselves. And I think that's one of our strongest things, is we're not there to do two, we're there to support people doing it for themselves.
It's now time to introduce the first three of our Kahukura finalists. How are you feeling about the whole thing, about being part of the Kahukura Awards?
Feeling humbled, mainly because the most important people in my life are here with me tonight.
We're all part of this legacy from Anne. We are placing ourselves towards the future, and particularly towards the new generations that are coming after us.
This tonight, I think, is a celebration of her as opposed to a celebration of us. So it's a real pleasure to be here tonight.
We're going to be hitting the beautiful east coast of Ruatoria with the Hauraki whānau as well.
Quite excited. Oh, it's been a long day. It's our moko's first birthday today.
Anne is the person who invited us on this journey, who supported us to get us going, and she was along with us throughout it.
Everyone is excited to celebrate and to do it with our whananga throughout the country. So hello to all of the people that I've met.
We're going to cross live through our roving reporter, Mr. Te Kahu Rolliston, spoken word poet extraordinaire.
What's the mission, mother? I know we're close to where we need to be.
Okay,
that's what we know.
All right, so you don't know where you're going, but you're really close to where you need to be. That's an awesome one. Down in Oamaru, we have the Waitaki Multicultural Council as well.
We have even our mayor coming to join us, and we wish all the best for all the other nominees.
We're just honoured to be amongst visionary whānau. I think that's a pleasure for us.
O kei te kāinga ui nāni I tēnei wā. Ai. Engari kei te mātaki tia tēnei kaupapa e te katoa o ngā kaimahi o te upoko te ikara.
Hoi no te whānau, we're going to now go to Te Rohe o Mātātua. Mai nā kuri a whāre ki te hiro. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. This is the very beautiful Macy Rika. Let's have a look at our final two finalists.
The mihi to all of those people, every whānau that we're touching, the kaupapa around E Tū Whānau, it's just blown us away, to be honest.
Our rangatahi are absolutely incredible. For the mahi that they produce is the reason why we are here tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the E Tū Whānau and Dysart Kahukura Awards is Waitomo Papakainga.
You know, this is really special to all of my people here and to all the people that are thinking. Anne and I were friends for years, and this is the first time this award has come out. So for Waitomo to be the first recipients of her award, it is fantastic. Nothing is done by an individual, and a kaupapa is not done by an individual. Waitomo is a kaupapa. It isn't the name of an organisation as such. It is the name of a movement and of a kaupapa throughout the whole country. And I am so proud to say that Anne Dysart was instrumental in creating and helping us to create the vision to move forward into a place that has no violence for whānau. Nō reira, tēnā rā koutou katoa.
To the whānau there in Kaipaia, here is our piece to you. Koe no te whānau. Big round of applause to Waitomo Papakainga anō. To all of our finalists here tonight, to all of the whānau right around the motu, thank you very much. Have a good night. Peace. We love you. E Tū Whānau, te mana kaha o te whānau. Check us out on Facebook. Te tangata, rangatira te mahi.